How much space does Windows 11 use on your computer? If you're planning to install Windows 11 or already have it running, it's important to know how much disk space the operating system consumes. Unlike previous versions, Windows 11 comes with updated system requirements and a more modern footprint, but doesn't mean it's light. In this blog, we'll explain how much storage Windows 11 uses, how it changes based on your setup, and how you can manage that space better. Minimum storage requirement. According to Microsoft, you need at least 64 gigabytes of storage to install Windows 11. But that's just the baseline. Real usage can go higher depending on how you install it and what you add later. Clean installation versus upgrade. One, clean install. If you do a fresh install, like wiping the drive and starting from scratch, Windows 11 uses around 27 gigabytes for system files. An extra 3 gigabytes is used for pre-installed apps. This setup gives you a clean slate, but still takes up close to 30 gigabytes just for Windows itself. Hausner 2, upgrade from Windows 10. If you're upgrading from Windows 10, it usually takes more than 64 gigabytes. The upgrade process saves recovery and rollback files. Temporary installation files can inflate space usage. After upgrading, Windows may hold on to old system data for a while in case you want to roll back, adding 10 to 20 gigabytes or more. Storage grows over time. Even if Windows 11 starts at around 30 gigabytes, that number grows. Cumulative updates, monthly security and feature updates pile on over time. New features may be downloaded in the background. Installed apps and system logs also expand the footprint. On average, expect Windows 11 to gradually consume 50 to 70 gigabytes if left unchecked. How to manage and free up space. You can take control of your storage by using built-in Windows 11 features. Uninstall unused apps. 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. 2. Sort by size and remove anything you don't use. Use Disk Cleanup 1. Press Windows F by size and remove anything you don't use. Use Disk Cleanup 1. Press Windows S, type Disk Cleanup, and run it. 2. Select your main drive. 3. Check items like temporary files, Windows Update Cleanup, and more. Enable Storage Sense 1. Go to Settings, System Storage. 2. Turn on Storage Sense to automatically delete junk files, temp data, and items in Recycle Bin. Move files to cloud. Use OneDrive or another cloud service to offload personal files and reduce local usage. Tasker, summary table, scenario, approx disk usage, in, clean install, 30 gigabytes, Windows 10 upgrade, 64 gigabytes or more, post updates and apps, 50 to 70 gigabyte plus. Final thoughts. Windows 11 is sleek and powerful, but not lightweight. Whether you're installing it fresh or upgrading, you need to account for both current and future space needs. Always aim for 100 gigabytes or more free space to leave room for updates, apps, and performance. If you're low on space, use Storage Sense, uninstall unnecessary apps, and clean up temporary files regularly. These simple actions can help keep your system fast and stable.